Smart business owners carry their business cards around. A business card is a physical card or a digital card that represents an individual or a business. So some of the components include the name of the person, the phone number, the rank, shop address, and also today I'm going to show you how to design a business card on Canva. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Blessing. Thank you to my old subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. So open your Canva app. If you don't have Canva, download from Play Store. You need your data to be able to do this. So you click on the search button. This place I'm typing, just type business card. You will see different templates, both for free accounts and paid accounts. So I'm just going to customize one of these templates, this one that is here. So when I open it, it's 2 pages and this is how it looks like. I'm going to be changing some details. You can change both the background color and everything. So I'll start with the name and also the rank. So and I'll do changes to go to elements. If I go to elements and I'll search tailor, because I don't have a logo, I'm just using a tailor for instance. So go to graphics, then I'll choose one of these elements as my logo. But if as a business owner you have a logo, this is where you can import your logo. Just click on your gallery and import your logo from your gallery. So I'll use this as my logo, but it doesn't really fit well. It's still giving me this empty space kind of vibe. I'll still delete it and click on elements and still go to type tailor, but the one I typed is still there. So I'll just search other elements that are available until I saw one that is really cool, like this one here. Now it has tape, it has scissors, it has machine, it has thread. So I'll just use it as my logo, and delete this needle and thread because I'm not using hands to do my fashion business. So when I delete this, I just increase this a bit and change all the details here, the names, to my name or the name of my business. Let's assume the name of my business is Blissful Notes and it's under fashion. So I'll just put that place that there is real estate, I'll change it to fashion. Just note that you are at liberty to use any font that, if you already have a brand font or any font that you feel speaks the language or the tone of your business. Even the color, you can change it. You can see color here, just change anyone you want to change. When you highlight the background, you can click on color and change anything you want to change. But I'm still working on changing all these details that are here and aligning each of them to be able to stay well, so that when you look at it, it will look good for my type of business. So that is it for here. You can see I'm still aligning this fashion and I think it's okay the way I have placed it. So change the email address to your own email. I'll just put email address here. Change your website, change your shop address, so and phone number. So another thing I'm going to do is to change some of these icons, like this the location. I'm going to just go to elements and type location. When I type location, I'll be able to use location icon and replace that at sign that is more, I think it's more suitable to email. But if you feel like that is what you want, it's okay. But I'll just choose one of these location icons to be able to change mine and also change the color to suit the color of this card. So for you to get the color, just scroll to, you see color, you already see the color that is available in your design. They will show you that color. If you don't know how to do, there's also a video I have on how to know the color code of any color you're using in any of your design. So I will also go ahead and change the icon for website and get a better one for 8 and delete this one that they have here. So I will resize this. I'm just trying to check the size of this circle if it's the same with the other one. So once it's the same, I'll align my icons, and once I feel they're okay, then that's okay by me. I'll just work on other things like this icon too. This my logo, I'll change the color to this. Some logos you cannot change the color, so what you can do is to make your design to align with the color of the logo. But for me, this one is just an element that I imported from Canva, from Canva library, so I'll just change it. So if you choose the background of this your design, you can change the color. You can see this color is cool too, but if you don't really like it, you can leave it at what it is. So you can see whenever you are changing color, make sure the font, the text is legible, people can read it. Not when you give somebody a business card, the person cannot read it. So I will come to this front page. I will also delete this their logo and go to elements. Already I will see this my logo in recently used, so I'll just select it from my recently used page, and I would change the color again to fit in. The black does not fit in this place. You can see black is good actually, but then in this particular design it doesn't really bring out the design. So I'll just change it to white. And also you can see this text here is for real estate. Meanwhile, my business is not a real estate business. My business is a fashion business. So I'm just going to try to change the text also to align with my vision. You can also put your tagline here, like your slogan, your business slogan. I'm just going to try to write a few things here, and also I'll duplicate this logo and use it as and reduce the transparency and use it here that they put this their real estate stuff. So but before then, let's try and change the text and see what we can come up with. This is just a tutorial, so but for you are doing it for your business, so you have to put your baby business name here, or even the services that you render. You can put the services that you render here in a bullet form. Maybe you sell Ankara materials, you sew senators, you sew wedding gowns. If you also rent wedding gowns, that is also good. If you make fascinators, that is also good. You can just put those services there, then put your other things. You can put also in your business card there, like your social media handle, your I've already talked about website, so you can do all of that. So this one, I will delete this their logo and duplicate this other logo that is here and increase the size. So touch it, click on duplicate, which is this button that looks as if it's double. Then just put it like that and go to transparency, see transparency, and reduce it so that it will be to blend with this. You can see that this is really nice. It's really beautiful like this. So I want to know what your thoughts is or are on this design already. What do you think about it? Are we making headway with it? Do you like it? Do you have a business card? Do you think business card is still relevant in this era of social media, or is it not relevant? I really want to know your thoughts on this. So this is for the tagline or your logo. Can just put where your identity, or I was actually trying to come up with a lot of words for this. It's not easy to something that is not your line to come up with stuff for it. Style yourself or style effortlessly. Words were not really forthcoming for me, but I thank God for this one that I have. So I've already put it. You can see, I think our design is ready. So you can print this, or you can share it to your friends. So it has front and back. You can print it as front and back, not as 2 page. So this is one card, the other part is the front, this other part is the back. So I'll just rename it a business card tutorial, or my business card, whatever you want to rename it as. It's all up to you. When you rename it, I'll just click on the download button. This is an image, it's just the two of them, so there's no other thing for me to use upload, but I'll just click on download button if there is no other thing to add, and I'll download my business card. And that is that for that. So I want to know, did you learn anything? What other topics do you feel I should cover in this Canva series, or in any other series in this YouTube channel? I want to hear from you in the comment section. Any question or suggestion, or even your take out from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.